Oh, shout out to Kevin Samuels. Shout out to Pro Basketball Updates, Ticket TV. O'Shea Duke Jackson.
A couple days ago, I was watching one of Kevin Samuels' shows, and I noticed that he shouted out Kwame Brown.
Oh, he did?
On his show. Matter of fact,
Shout
I'll put the link
hey, hold on.
Where he shouted him out on the show. I'll put that in the description box below this video, so you guys can see that. But he shouted out Kwame on the show, and I noticed some things, y'all, that has happened with Kevin Samuels. You know, recently, since he has recently passed a million subscribers.
Shout out.
It's a lot of jealousy and, you know, hatred going on. Remember, Kwame Brown has shouted out Kevin Samuels on his show too. Mm-hmm. Now, again, nobody agrees with everything everybody say.
Right.
Right. I watch Kevin Samuels' show. I agree with a lot of things he say. I disagree with some things he said. That's normal. You understand?
Right. And that's important. We've created a society where I'm up early because I got to get out here on this goddamn excavator, that I rented. I got to get my money's worth. And it's so hot yesterday. I've been up since 6:30, but I said, I walked the dog, all that good stuff. And then I said, dang, if I get out here on this excavator, I ain't going to get off. So let me do a YouTube real quick. Then I'll go because I'm going to be gone. But like Ticket TV said, man, people got to understand we living in a day and time where everybody tries to get offended by everything so they don't have the conversations. Whether you like it or not, some of the stuff this man is saying is very true. And getting him off the internet or cutting him off in America is not going to help. We still going to feel the same way. We just going to be in the barbershop talking about it. So the things that he's saying, he has the kahunas to say, and most men get kicked in the ass by company policy. So they can't say what he's saying. But ladies, some of the stuff he's saying is true. I'm a man who's made over 6 figures since I've been 18 years old. And I'm telling you, I can do good or bad all by myself, making that type of money. So I've always looked at a woman like, what do you bring to the table? Everybody got an ass. Everybody got WAP. Yeah, it's a lot of WAP. And it's a lot of goddamn everything. So me making the type of money I made since 18 years old, what do you bring to the table other than that WAP and that all that other shit? Because I could stay single and get 3-4 WAPs at a time. I got a big old house. So yeah, you got to think about it. All that extra pumped up shit they tell you in the news, it really don't play out like that in the streets. I'm just saying, it really don't. So, and I think you ladies know that. And that's why it's so much hatred towards this brother, because he's like that father that tells a daughter the truth and she don't want to hear that shit. She's scruffing with him the whole time. And then a couple years later, because, in her mind, she know everything. Every young boy ain't like you, Dad. That's what she think. Until, goddamn, she go out here in the street and get hurt a little bit a few times. Then it's wounded warrior coming back to daddy. And daddy just, okay, I told you, little ass. And some of you women and some of you little girls set out to prove them wrong. And it ain't going to work in your favor. I'm going to just tell you. Maybe one or two of you slip through the cracks out of the hundreds. But boy, look at here. It ain't, the numbers say he right. And that's why so many people mad. And I wish we would just learn to have conversations. Because there's some people talking about this man in such a way that, hell, that should get you canceled. You don't like what he's saying in an educated way, but then you can call him gay. You could say he a B. You could do whatever to him. But all he's saying is look up the numbers. I talk to clients. I got this. He asks you some questions. He don't agree with you. And then now he need to go after some of the shit y'all say. Shit. No, all WAP ain't good WAP, but it's some really good WAP. Boy, look at here. This is a big old world, young lady. I don't know what y'all be thinking about, but a man of means. Boy, look at here. A man of means. All he got to do is show up. Telling you, y'all tripping.
You know what I'm saying? But I noticed that there's a lot of jealousy going on in our community. whenever a brother starts getting that bag for real. You understand what I'm saying? And being supported by his own people. And I'm seeing Kevin Samuels be supported by men and women. It don't just be men up there in the super chat. It be women up there in them super chats dropping 200-300 that y'all be hating on.
Mm-hmm.
And I noticed, I said to myself, man, now all of a sudden they got a petition out to try to take this dude off of YouTube. Soon as he passed 1 million subs, here comes the petition to get him off of YouTube. Like I said, I just thought to myself, like, these motherfuckers out here, it's some real life jealousy shit going on around here, man. Mofos on YouTube in real life are jealous of this man. You understand what I'm saying? Success. It's sad because that's how the same thing happened with Kwame Brown. Soon as he started getting all them subscribers, you understand what I'm saying? Soon as people started showing him love, hitting up his chat, super chat, stuff like that, it was just jealousy towards another brother where people were showing the brother love. I noticed that, man. And that didn't sit well with me. That people was doing that. You know what I'm saying, bro? And I just feel like at some point in time, when we get that hatred out of our heart, I mean, listen, it's so many people that say stuff, and I heard my brother Tom talking about this on his channel. It's so many people that saying stuff on YouTube, as far in that whole, area that Kevin Samuels is in, that's just off the wall crazy, but nobody cares because they're not a brother with 1 million subscribers.
Mm-hmm.
And this is when you get people pocket watching all kind of shit, man. It's sad, bro. It's sad. You know what I'm saying? If you don't agree with what some of the brother got to say, you ain't got to watch a show.
Thank you.
But these clowns go out their way to make petitions and all this other shit. You understand what I'm saying? To get him off of YouTube and Instagram. It's buffoonery, dog. It really is, man. All because you can't take an opinion on what he said. Like I said, do I agree with everything he say? I don't agree with everything nobody say.
Right.
You understand what I'm saying? But he don't made some people feel such a way. He don't made some women feel such a way that they just feel like, man, it hurts them. It hurts y'all so bad that y'all got to keep going back and listening to that dude, right? Focused on him. Focused on what he got going on. And that's the problem I see on YouTube, man. There's too many people worried about somebody else, man. You worried about what another YouTuber doing, man. Worry about what you're doing.
Right.
Do your thing.
They don't believe in what they do.
Why is you worried about what another YouTuber's doing? Why is you always trying to hate and bring down another YouTuber? Right? You worry about what you're doing. It's sad, bro. It's sad, man. It's sad. You understand what I'm saying? It really is, bro. Y'all let me know what y'all think, though, man. Hey, man. Hey, it might be crazy though if we see a Kwame Brown, Kevin Samuels collab. Oh, heads really gonna explode then. That's fact.
Ticket. Somebody will shoot themselves in the head. Ticket. Don't do that. Ticket. Don't try to set nothing like that up now. It's somebody out there. This one YouTuber. It'll be our fault. We'll get murder charges. The way he'll just say it's Kwame and Kevin. He'll just hurt himself. So, man, I don't think that's a good idea, man. I ain't. They try to find any reason to fuck with me. That's why I'm just working in the yard. Staying cool, chilling. But don't set that up, Ticket TV. Boy, look at here.